Hi, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit breath filter using Lightroom Mobile, and this is before and after using this preset on some sample photos. First, go to Light. Exposure to 0.20. Contrast to -25. Highlights to -72. Shadows to 47. Whites to -21. And blacks to -48. Next, go to Curve. I've made these curves before. You can pause this video to make them. You can also get these presets for free. Just find password in this video. Next, go to Color. Temperature to 2. Vibrance to -37. And saturation to -4. Next, go to Color Mix. For red, hue to 6. Saturation to -20. And luminance to -17. For orange, hue to 5. Saturation to -4. And luminance to 30. For yellow, saturation to -20. And luminance to 30. For green, hue to 10. And saturation to -50. For aqua, hue to 10. Saturation to -48. And luminance to -23. For blue, saturation to -51. and luminance to -31. For purple, hue to 13. Saturation to -45. And luminance to -15. For pink, saturation to -45. And luminance to -6. Next, go to detail. Color noise reduction to 50. And last, go to optics. Turn on remove chromatic aberration. And done. You can copy these preset settings and paste them on other photos. And you can also adjust it again, according to your wishes. Okay, I hope you like this preset, and see you in the next tutorial.